what happens.
Not too bad. Yeah.
2 spots.
2 spots.
Like that.
Flawless.
Woo!
Good.
Score was an 87. An 87 for my first time welding pipe in 2G on horizontal position. I lost 6 points on my, still kind of warm. I lost 6 points on my root pass because I had some high spots, or I had not spots, but I had some spots where it's kind of heavy. And right there, that's a real heavy spot. I lost 6 points on my cap because of the porosity right there. And I had a valley. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, this valley basically, it didn't tie in well, so I lost. So ultimately, I lost 6 points on that on my cap for that. And 25 on my fitment, and as I said before in the bin test, those 2 little specks, I lost 3 points from that, but my cap was fine. So 87. I hope to have more videos of future tests that I'll be doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment in the comment section. If you have any tips for pipe welding, or if you have any experience with pipe welding, please share your thoughts. When you grab complaints, send me a PM. I see what to do to address them. But that's this is my test results for a 2G pipe. I'm Edward Jones. You guys take care, and God bless.